oh Henry. My mama, she gave him his name, she thought it was so dandy, 'cause he was so sweet, yum yum chocolate candy, oh Henry. Oh Henry. He was an ornery SOB, always playing tricks on me. I'd feed him apples and carrots all day, he'd buck me off and run away, oh Henry. One day I didn't wanna ride, that's when oh Henry and I said goodbye. He went to a nice young family, how he made that little boy happy, oh Henry. Oh Henry. You ask me why I tell you this tale, 'cause you got the same name as well. I'll take a gander at any rate, maybe you'll like me too and take me on a date, Henry.